Let's set up Vendasta so you can send out dynamic email marketing campaigns right from the platform with maximum deliverability. It all starts with our marketing email settings. From partners.vendasta.com, under Marketing and Email Settings, you'll want to make sure to have this set up for the best deliverability of your marketing emails. First, set up your default sender name and reply to address. You'll notice that we also have a default authenticated email domain listed here as well, under @smblogin.com. This is the default domain that all your marketing emails will be sent from, as well as any other emails being sent out through the platform. Of course, you do have the option to set up your own domain. Simply type in the domain that you own, then click Start Authorizing Domain. Vendasta will then start to populate with all of the information you see here. These are DNS records and must be added to your domain registrar. This video won't walk through all of those steps because the steps will be slightly different depending on your domain provider of choice, such as Google Domains, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other option. The basic detail is that you'll have to log into the domain registrar, go into Access, and update your DNS records, and then add in all of the records that are listed here. You'll notice that as you hover over this, you can click to copy, so you can make sure that you're getting all of the right information. For more information, there are a few helpful resources included in our Help Center articles that show how these steps work for a few different domain providers. Find the articles on support.vendasta.com. After you have your domains updated, it can take up to 72 hours for that update to show up here in Vendasta. You can come back at any point in time and click on Check Domain Records, and you'll get a notification whether or not they're working. When they are working, you'll see a happy green check mark and you'll be all set to go. As a reminder, our system does have a default authenticated domain, so you can ensure that you have that good deliverability, but by choosing your own domain, you can make sure that everything is customized and delivered under your own brand. If you still need help setting up your email domains, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team by emailing support@vendasta.com. They're always happy to help.